In this tutorial, we will learn how to render any object in wireframe mode, like this, no material, just the skeleton. This is actually very easy. Let us first delete these objects here. We will add a mesh object from the Add menu, maybe this monkey. We know that Blender provides a wireframe viewing mode here. If we turn it on, we can see the object's wireframe, instead of the solid view. But if we try to render this, it will still render in the solid mode. We have to first modify this object, such that only its wireframe is visible. So go to the Modifiers tab, and add one modifier, which is called the Wireframe Modifier. That magically turns our object into a wireframe model, and it will now render exactly as you see in this viewport. You can also customize the thickness of these wires, by changing this thickness value to whatever you need. And let us also add a material, so that the monkey looks even better. We will select some color, maybe orange. You can add any other object also, it will work for any object. Let us add a cube together with the monkey. In the same way, we will add the wireframe modifier for this cube as well. And we will add a different material for this new object, maybe with a green color. So let us give it a quick render to see how the objects come out in the actual output. In the render engine, we are using Eevee. As you can see here, we got only the wireframes of the objects, and no material is visible in the render. Now, I will show you another thing. For our monkey, go to the Modifiers tab. We have this Replace Original option. If you turn it off, the original object will be back. But this time, the object has these little creases, that gives it a very unique outlook, like a handmade design, or an unpolished surface. If you need this look, or this effect for some object, you can easily do that. Let us quickly render the image once again. So, it has rendered just the way we saw it in the viewport. You can use the wireframe modifier in many such ways. I hope you like this tutorial. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel.